Chuck Crosby over at the Crosby Law Offices. Emma sent us this fascinating question. It's for an attorney like yourself and any attorneys listening to us. Unfortunately for the rest of us, it's going to sound like a foreign language. So, Chuck, strap in. Here it comes. Emma says both her mom and dad passed away. We're sorry about that recently. And she was reading her mother's will, and the will says the property, here it comes. The property is conveyed as fee simple and during their joint natural lives, with the remainder in fee simple to the survivor of them, his or her heirs, successors, and assigns. Right, assigns.
In perpetuity.
And so she's wondering, what does this mean?
Okay. That doesn't sound like a will so much as a deed. That's the language to set up joint survivorship.
Okay.
You convey property from A to B and C for their lives with remainder in fee simple to the survivors of them, their heirs and assigns forever, sometimes in perpetuity. What it means is that when one of the grantees passes, the other grantee owns 100%. So it's 50-50 while they're alive. When one dies, it becomes 100%, as opposed to, say, something like just joint tenants, where they own 50-50, and if one of them passes, their 50% doesn't go to the other person necessarily, but goes to their heirs. Okay.
Yeah.
So you and I own a piece of property together, joint tenants, tenants in common, is what we would call it. I die, you don't get my half. My kids, my wife get my half. If it's together for our lives with the remainder in fee simple to the survivor of them, I pass away, you get my part.
Got it. I think.
Got it.
But I think it's enough to answer the question, and hopefully, if anybody ever has questions, I'll give you Chuck's number. He'll be able to help you and answer those questions for you. A quick reminder, I haven't done it recently, but I've done some videos at closing tables, and I should probably start that up again, interviewing our sellers when we close about what the process was like. If you'd like to see them, we put them up on YouTube. You can go to LouisvilleSellersTalk.com, LouisvilleSellersTalk.com. It's an eye-opening experience when you're selling your home, and hopefully we live up to the status of being good at what we do.